The multifunctional home gym equipment workout station with pulley system, arm, and leg developer for full body training is an impressive and versatile piece of exercise equipment that brings the functionality of a commercial gym right into the comfort of your home. Constructed from heavy-duty 50 by 50 mm commercial-grade steel tube, the station boasts a stable and solid structure that instills confidence in users looking to embark on a full-body workout regimen. Its robust build is designed to support rigorous daily training routines, ensuring that every pull, press, and extension is executed with precision and safety. The solid steel frame not only guarantees durability but also reinforces the idea that this equipment can handle a variety of exercises without compromising its structural integrity, making it a dependable partner in your fitness journey. One of the key aspects that stand out with this home gym is its thoughtful design, which prioritizes both functionality and user comfort. The exercise pads are crafted from high-quality EVA material combined with thick, high-density foam. This combination delivers excellent cushioning and support, ensuring that your joints and muscles are protected during intense workout sessions. The waterproof nature of these pads means they can withstand sweat and moisture without deteriorating over time, while the use of electrostatic powder painting on the metal parts not only adds to the sleek, modern aesthetic of the equipment but also significantly reduces the risk of rust. This means that even after prolonged use, the station retains its polished appearance and remains a reliable fixture in your home gym setup. The equipment's design is further enhanced by the incorporation of a double pulley system and a power tower with a foldable stepper. Equipped with 118-pound weight plates, the double pulley system allows for a wide range of exercises, targeting multiple muscle groups effectively. This versatile system enables users to perform exercises such as lat pull-downs, bicep curls, arm presses, leg extensions, seated rows, pull-ups, and dips. The dual workout setup is particularly advantageous for families or workout partners who want to exercise simultaneously, as the power tower and stepper provide additional functionality without compromising the space or versatility of the station. This multi-use design means that whether you are aiming to build strength in your upper body, tone your legs, or work on core stability, this all-in-one station has you covered. The multifunctional home gym equipment stands out as a convenient, all-in-one workout station that eliminates the need for multiple pieces of gym equipment cluttering your living space. At a price of $799, it offers great value for those seeking a comprehensive solution for full-body training at home. Its compact design ensures that it fits well into various spaces, whether it's a dedicated home gym, a corner in your living room, or even a garage converted into a workout zone. This convenience factor is further enhanced by the equipment's adaptability, allowing users to modify their training intensity and routines according to their personal fitness goals. From beginners to seasoned athletes, the range of exercises available makes it a versatile tool for achieving overall body strength and endurance. Despite its many strengths, some customers have raised minor concerns regarding the assembly process, overall size, and occasional missing parts. A few reviewers mentioned that while the build quality is excellent and reminiscent of commercial gym equipment, the instructions for assembly could be more detailed and better labeled. Watching an online assembly tutorial, as suggested by several users, appears to be beneficial in overcoming these hurdles. Nonetheless, once assembled, the station provides a smooth and satisfying workout experience, with the synthetic leather upholstery and padded areas offering both comfort and durability during long training sessions. The overall positive feedback from global users, with an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, is a testament to the equipment's performance and value. Moreover, this multifunctional workout station is designed with a variety of training purposes in mind. Whether you're looking to focus on arm development with the arm press frame, build leg strength with the leg developer, or enhance your overall functional fitness through pull-ups and dips, the station adapts to your needs. Its design encourages balanced training, which is essential for preventing workout imbalances and reducing the risk of injury. Many users appreciate the way this equipment consolidates multiple exercise options into a single, efficient system that can be used by the entire family. This inclusivity makes it an attractive option for those looking to invest in a long-term, home-based fitness solution that can evolve with their training demands. In summary, the multifunctional home gym equipment workout station with pulley system, arm, and leg developer is a robust, well-engineered solution for anyone serious about full-body training. Its heavy-duty steel construction, combined with comfortable, durable pads and a versatile exercise system, offers a complete workout experience that rivals that of a commercial gym. While the assembly process may require a bit of extra effort, the end result is a reliable, high-quality piece of equipment that supports a diverse range of exercises and adapts to various training goals. For those looking to cancel gym memberships and invest in a home gym that can deliver consistent, effective workouts, this equipment stands out as a compelling and worthwhile investment.